While composing this text, Patrul Rinpoche prayed to his root guru, lineage holders, deities, dakinis, and Dharma protectors for blessings, wishing the text would be passed down to future generations and benefit innumerable beings. With his prayers and aspiration, the words of my perfect teacher is endowed with incredible blessings. Many people had lives transformed in a short period of time after reading it. Many people found solutions in this text to the big questions. Through the blessings of the lineage holders, you are able to cultivate the untainted spiritual treasures. I always believe that praying to lineage gurus is particularly important while studying the Dharma. Once the guru's blessings have infiltrated our mind, whichever text we are studying and practicing upon, and whichever Dharma activity we are engaging in, we will find achievement comes easier to us. Otherwise, many things seem insurmountable.